Hello, you wonderful people. So today we are discuss the Project Manager DIC 2018 exam. So let's discuss. Question number one: which of the following combination is not correct in terms of area of princely states before 15 April 1948? So Bussir is the biggest princely state whose area is 3,439 square miles. So correct answer is option number D. Question number two: the Tati, the Yulla, the Vangar, and Tirung are the tributaries of which famous river of Himachal Pradesh? So, Tati, Yulla, Vangar, Tirung are tributaries of river Satluj. Option B is correct. Question number three: the lofty Chung Sakhago Pass lies in which valley, upper ranges of which always remain snow covered? So, Chung Sakhago Pass is in Baspa Valley. Option C is correct, and Baspa Valley is also known as Sangla Valley, which is in Kinnaur district of Himachal Pradesh. And Baspa is also a river which is tributary of river Satluj. Option C is correct. Question number 4. Which river flows almost parallel to Indus and then cuts through both the Great Himalayan and Jaskar ranges? So the river is Satluj. Option B is correct. Question number 7. Shatha and Pasha are the two subgroups of Khund that was warrior group of which Asian tribes? So they belong to Khasas tribe. Option B is correct. Question number 8. According to whom the Kinnori dialect comes under the Himalayan group of Tibetan-Burman family of languages? This is by Grison G.A. Option A is correct. Question number 9. Who compared Kinnori movement to Scottish and Algerian? Once an account of their woolen remains. So this is by Cummings. Option A is correct. And W. Goldstein started the Nalwari Fair in Bilaspur district of Himachal Pradesh in 1889. Option A is correct. Cummings. Question number 10. The Baheshwar Mahadev temple has been rated as one of the first monument of Western Himalayas and the unique example of later Gupta tradition is situated at which place? So Baheshwar Mahadev temple is in Bajaura, which is in Kullu district of Himachal Pradesh. Question number 11. The Basoli school of painting, which is the earliest known hill school of painting, came into prominence of which time of which ruler? The ruler is Raja Kripalpal. Option A is correct. Question number 12. What Chinese art achieves for landscape in here accomplished for human love? This quote of Anand K. Kumaraswamy was with regard to Kangra paintings. Option B is correct. Question number 13. The Nirmand copper plate of 7th century AD is an important historical document which throws light on the earlier social, economic and political history of Himachal Pradesh was issued by Maharaja Samudra Sena. Option A is correct. Question number 14. The author who discussed Kuluta as a separate political entity and according to him, Chandragupta Maurya had an alliance with the Himalayan state Vishak Dutt. And Vishak Dutt also written a famous book Mudra Rakshasa. Question number 15. The translation of 1300 volumes of Hindu books of Jwalamukhi Temple Library was done by Izzuddin Khalid Khani. Option A is correct. And this translation is done on the name of Dalai-e-Firoz Shahi. Izzuddin Khalid Khani was the court poet of Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Question number 16. The most ancient inscription of Chamba, engraved on the pedestal of the brass images of Lakshana Devi, Ganesha and Nandi, were found at which place? These are found in Bharmor. Option B is correct. Question number 70. Chola Dora Chadru Jaggi are the traditional attire of which district of Himachal Pradesh? So these are the traditional attire of Chamba district of Gaddi tribes. And the length of Dora is 60 meters, which is worn by male. Question number 18. Which of the following bank was merged in the HP State Cooperative Bank Limited in the year 1955? The bank is Joint Stock Bank, that is Bank of Sirmaur. Option C is correct. Question number 19. On 7th October 2014 at Dholpur ground, 8,760 women danced Kulbi Nati on the tone of Dhol, Nagara and Shehnai, which was also celebrated as Save the Girl Child. Option B is correct. So thank you. Stay tuned with us.